In this guide, I'll show you how to create a t-shirt in Roblox using your mobile device. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on More at the bottom. From there, select Create. Previously, making a t-shirt required using a third-party website, but now you can do everything directly inside the Roblox app. After entering the Create section, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and switch from Home to Creations. Next, select Avatar Items. Once the Items page opens, scroll down to the Classic section. Make sure Classic T-shirts is selected in the filters because this option allows you to upload and create your own t-shirt. Now, tap on Upload Asset, choose Photo Library, and select the image you want to use for your t-shirt. After selecting the image, give your t-shirt a name and add a short description if you like. Then tap Upload Image. Once the image has finished uploading, tap on it. Turn on the On Sale option, set your price, and choose how many Robux you want to charge. For example, you can set it to 10 Robux. After that, tap Publish Item and confirm by selecting Pay and Publish. Finally, go to your avatar, equip the new t-shirt you just created, and you're all set. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.